People are making millions of dollars a year straight from this cash cow YouTube channel type of business. I'm the Ecom boss, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how people make a ton of money. I'm talking 100k a month, 200k a month straight off YouTube. And this business, man or girl, it's unique. That's what we're going to talk about, guys. I have a couple of friends making 100k a month of this YouTube type of business, if not even more. There's so many ways to make it. Guys, you don't even need to show your face. Before you guys get a little bit angry, dropshipping content, we're going to publish dropshipping video already tomorrow, so do not be worried. I'm just going to test with this video real quick. So don't leave, guys. This business is going to be the best thing you've ever seen. If you've already seen it, I'm going to drop some value anyways. So the last video is free 30-minute consulting call. Giveaway winner is Nuhara. You can message me. My Instagram will be here. You want to get into the dropshipping coaching, getting your life changed, you can message me on Instagram here again. Without further ado, you drop a like and we get into the video. So this YouTube cash cow business, I actually did discover this business 2 years ago when I was super interested. I was trying everything, trying to make money online. I started up a channel, but I only posted 5 videos, and it was Fortnite, I think, so it's not that cool. But anyways, I know a lot about it since I know people in the space. I've studied this business for ages, so I'm going to tell you guys because it's my favorite business that I never did. So a cash cow business, it's a business where you run YouTube channels without showing your face. That could be videos such as, compilations. It could be like celebrities, top 5, top 10s, all of that stuff. Or it could just be satisfying videos or whatever. But a lot of people make it, for example, on celebrities, basketball, whatever. It doesn't matter. You can make it on soccer. I don't really care. It doesn't matter. But the typical videos of this is like people make millions of this, and they could make like top 5 Jake Paul moments he don't want you to see, top 5 most embarrassing Jake Paul moments, top 10 richest rappers, whatever. You get a voiceover in that. You guys, I bet you guys watch cash cow channels without even knowing that you watch them yourself. So now let's get into the details. If you like it so far though, please do remember to hit the nice looking subscribe button. That will mean the world to me. So a cash cow channel, I already told you guys what it is. So let's just say all of the big people, they will have 20 cash cow channels running. It's a YouTube channel, like I said, without showing your face, and they will have a content team creating it, which you're gonna get into a second. They make themselves useless to the business. They probably work 1 hour a week or something, but they have a team in place. They do all that stuff, running 20 channels. That means they'll have a couple of big channels bringing in like 20 to 30k a month straight of one channel. Then they will have a couple of other ones bringing in 5k a month, 2k a month. Just keep going with that on a lot of channels. That adds up to a lot of money each month just from YouTube ad revenue. So you got to be in the highest CPM niche, which you're gonna get into a second. However, guys, this business, you could start with 0 money. That's the coolest part about this business. You don't have money, no problem. You could start this business without any money. However, though, it would be kind of cool if you just paid someone on Fiverr $5 to just do the voiceover, or pay someone on Fiverr, to make the thumbnail. I would definitely recommend that, but you could also learn that for free. But I would probably do it, but that's gonna be up to you guys. But $5 each video is way less than testing a dropshipping product. So guys, what you're gonna do, you make this channel, you search up, you want to focus on CPM niches. Of course, upload whatever you want if it's gaming, but gaming and pranks, they don't make a lot of money on YouTube. But let's just say a business video on YouTube, like my channel, my CPM is anywhere from 32 to 70, which is super high. So I have the potential to make a lot of money off YouTube. I don't do that because nobody watches my videos, sadly. If you like it, if you click a like on the video, that might change. But that's what you guys got to do. You follow the 33 rule. 33 rule. I'm going to teach you guys now. The 33 rule. That means you're uploading 33 videos for 33 days. 1 video a day. 33 days. That's a little bit over a month. So you follow the 33 rule. If it doesn't work after 33 days, you switch it up. You change the niche. You change something. I mean, you'll just see, or you can just double down on what worked. I wouldn't change it completely though, but a lot of people say you follow the 33 rule. If it doesn't work, you change up something. But anyways, if you follow the 33 rule, it does okay, you have some videos starting to get some traction, because you should get traction after 33 days of uploading every day. But when you start to get some traction on your YouTube channel, double down on what works. My good friend Scrubs, I'm going to give you guys an example of him right now. He made a video of the top 5 richest rappers. The video got 3 million views. That's true, guys. It got 3 million views. So what he did, he doubled down on what works. So when he made top 5 richest rappers, he would go into top 10 richest YouTubers, top 5 richest celebrities, whatever. But he just doubled down on what works. So if top 5 richest rapper work, let's try top 5 richest YouTubers. Just keep doubling down on what works. That's gonna work on YouTube, right? Because if someone liked this video, make more of it. Don't focus on what doesn't work. Test out, test new stuff, but keep focusing on what works. That's why you see dropshipping gurus always showing sell these products now, because those videos do super good. So they double down on it, keep doing it, because then they grow their channel. Getting monetized, guys, is going to be super important. You want to make a cash cow channel, you need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 hours of watch time. You could buy that for $500, but you could also just make it. It's not hard to get that really, but if you want to get monetized, get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. And then start making money off YouTube. And you're only going to make money straight from ad revenue. People watching your video, clicking on your video, that's where you're gonna make your money. You don't have to do brand deals, you don't have to do merch, you just make money straight of that, which makes this business super unique because you could be useless to it. So now let's get into what these big guys doing to make 100K a month straight off of this business. What they're doing, they have a content team. They probably paid him like $2,000 a month. I mean, like probably like $500 to $1,000 each person a month, which might be a little bit wrong, but for some people, $700 to $1,000 a month is a lot of money, especially if you're like a college student and you don't have a lot of money. So let's just use one guy as an example. He has four people working for him. They create the content, they create the thumbnails, so they make 20 videos a day because he have 20 cash cow channels. That means 20 videos a day. So a couple of them will probably find clips, while another one will edit all the videos, some will make the thumbnails, and they just keep going like that. And he doesn't have to lift his finger, guys, for real. He really doesn't have to do that because these guys are just making the content for him. He takes out a percentage out of his 100K a month and pays these guys without doing any work himself. But he started running like gaming compilation videos way back in the day, highlights of gaming and everything, to make his first cash cow channel. But once he got successful, he reinvested the money into a content creating team and just stacked up a bunch of channels, because you guys want to have a lot of channels as an income source compared to just one. Start for free, guys. You edit it, you get it on Fiverr to make it for $5, you know, whatever you want, but you can't start for free. You can't start today. On YouTube, CTR is going to matter, the click-through rates. That's even more important than the audience retention. That means how long people watch. If they watch 20% of the video, 50% of the video, start out focusing big on the click-through rate. You want to have clickbaity titles, clickbaity thumbnails. You just want to get the client, you just want to get the audience to click on your video, gather a couple of subscribers, get the views so you can make money. In this business, you focus more on the views rather than the subscribers. Just get monetized. But what matters here is obviously each subscriber will give you another shot at getting a view. But the most important thing in the cash cow business channel is the views you're bringing in, because that makes you money. If one channel brings in 1 million views a day and another one brings in 100K views and one brings in 20K, 50K, 30K, 5K, that adds up. That's going to be a lot of money. But guys, make sure you get into the right niche of the business, science, something cool, or celebrities, whatever. You guys just make sure you have a huge audience base, that, potential audience should be a lot of them. And also make sure, it's a high CPM niche. You actually make some money out of the 1,000 views. So like I said, guys, I've been into this business for a lot of time. I've not done it, but it's my favorite business that I never started. Super interesting. It's super unique. If I were to start over again, I would probably do the cash cow business. However, though, you got to be a little bit, you got to be a little bit patient when you're doing this business. Things doesn't happen overnight. But at the same time, YouTube is a game where just one video blows up, your whole channel blows up. That's the coolest part. So get into this business, guys. It would be recommended. It's starting to, it started to become known in the market. A lot of people now know what a cash cow channel business type of thing is because of two big names in this business. Still, though, it is untapped. It's super untapped still. I looked into this business 2 years ago. Then was completely untapped, honestly. But cash cow channels going on for ages. I mean, it's just a clickbaited channel. So you guys probably watch them all day, so it's been going on for ages. But people now start to be open about it, talking about it, selling programs on it, and all of that stuff. That's one thing you guys could do later as well. You get a lot of cash cow channels, but you don't work. You're useless to the business because a content team, they create all this stuff eventually down the road, and then you just sell, automation programs, whatever. You get clients and you sell them like a channel. They work with you, they make the channel for you, they make money a month, they sell so much cool stuff, right? So guys, research what's trending, research tags. You want to use the best tags, be good at editing your videos, catch their attention. The first second is going to be super huge. You want to get them to like, watch some of it, subscribe, always come back. You could do giveaways to make the channel blow up quicker. That's going to be on you guys. But this business is super unique. It's not saturated. People are starting to know about it. But if you want to get on this thing early, because I think in 5 years this thing is going to be all over the place. So if you like this video, please go down, you smash a like on it, and you also do subscribe to the Ecom channel. Tomorrow's video is going to be drop shipping. Also, guys, do let me know if you have any video ideas. I'll be super happy to hear from you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and you'll be seeing me in the next video. Peace.